All right, hello, Algebra 2 students. Welcome to last week. Just wanted to highlight a few things from this week. As far as assignments go, there's not a lot. There's just two more practice ACT sets for you. They will help with the actual ACT test, so I think it's good to do the video on Tuesday and then also the other two practice sets. Um, I think these are actually some of the more important things we do all year. They help you think, they help you get ready for that test. So that's what we got going on. Thursday's just a quick exit survey. It probably should take less than 5 minutes, but I do really appreciate feedback on that. I do adjust my teaching and things each year based on these surveys. So I encourage you to take that survey on Thursday. All right, then I just put out some updates here. You can read these if you want, but I thought I'd just highlight them for you, save you a little bit of reading. Some things from this week is if you have a paper copy of the math book, if you took one home at the start of the year, regardless of who your first semester teacher was, bring it with you when you turn in materials on Tuesday at the high school. Also, the with this um, distance learning, I get all these updates here on Schoology of what people do, but sometimes I miss them because there's so many of them. So if you are doing like late assignments, please let me know if something doesn't look right. I catch most of them, but be checking campus this week as this is our last week. And if something doesn't look right, send me an email. If you want to make sure I get something in, just email to make 100% sure we're okay on that. Final thing is your grade is mostly the way it's going to look, right? There'll be a couple more ACT assignments that'll go on there that'll affect the grade. But then the only other thing that would really affect it would be is if you have any old retakes to do or if you're missing a test or something, get those in this week. Otherwise, your grade will mostly look the same unless you do a lot of late work or you're right on the edge and then do or don't do well on these ACT assignments. Then it could go up or down. But at any rate, just if you have any questions about grades or stuff, email me this week. Um, yeah, be checking campus, make sure it looks okay because I do make mistakes. All right, I think that's it. I wish you a very good last week and a good summer since I probably won't see you. Um, yeah, that's it. Take care.